Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the app theme in ClickUp, making your workspace visually appealing and personalized to your preferences. Customizing your workspace might seem like a small detail, but it can have a big impact on focus, comfort, and overall productivity. Let's dive in and transform your ClickUp interface to suit your style effortlessly. First, let's open ClickUp. On your device, you can either launch the app or navigate to the ClickUp website and log into your account. Whether you're using ClickUp on desktop or in your browser, the steps are very similar, so you can follow along no matter how you access the platform. This is your command center for project management, so make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can easily access your settings. Next, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This small yet essential icon is key to unlocking further customization options, including not just themes but also notifications, preferences, and account settings. So go ahead and click on it. Doing so will drop down a menu with a variety of settings and preferences for your account. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on the Themes section. This is where the visual magic happens, allowing you to tailor the appearance of your ClickUp interface. Themes are not only about aesthetics, they can also enhance your productivity by reducing eye strain, improving readability, and creating an environment that suits your working style, especially if you spend long hours managing tasks and projects. Once you're in the Theme section, you'll notice an option that says Appearance. Click on it to proceed further. This section is essential as it encompasses all the different theme options available for you to choose from. It's a way to change the mood of your workspace, making it more inviting and comfortable for your workflow. Some users even switch themes based on the time of day or the type of work they're doing. The final step is the most fun part: choosing your theme. Scroll through the available themes and select the one that catches your eye. Whether you prefer a light theme to keep things bright and airy, which works great in well-lit environments, or a dark theme for a more modern, focused vibe that's easier on the eyes at night, ClickUp provides a variety of options to suit different tastes. Just click on your chosen theme and it will be automatically applied, refreshing your screen to reflect the new look instantly. And there you have it. Changing the theme in ClickUp is as simple as a few clicks, letting you personalize your workspace to align with both your functional and aesthetic needs. Remember, you can return to these settings anytime you want to switch up your theme for a fresh look or adjust your setup as your preferences evolve. Personalizing your workspace can make a significant difference in how you interact with your tasks, stay motivated, and maintain focus throughout the day. So don't hesitate to explore different themes until you find the one that feels just right for you. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks to get the most out of ClickUp. And if you have a favorite theme or a customization tip of your own, feel free to share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!